Hey guys, sorry it's been so long. Back with another episode on the SuperHawk. We're going to deal with the overflow tank today and trying to get down to it. It's a real pain. It's way down between the cylinders, right on top of the crankcase. I just want to check to see if it was cracked or anything and take a look at it. And while I'm down there just digging, see what else is there because this bike's old. Again, sorry it's been so long. I'm trying to do these. I've got quite a few more videos to put up, so they'll keep coming out. Need to get them out quicker. I still haven't decided on another project. I have no idea. If anyone has any ideas, let me know. COVID's really kind of slowed a lot of stuff down, and auction prices are crazy. I would like to try getting a used vehicle of some kind. My first attempt at that, but the used car prices are insane. And I know I'll just end up overpaying, so I'll be patient. But anyway, I hope the video helps you guys, and please give me any comments if so. Thanks.
And if we pull this through, success. That is the pump in all its glory. And then I'm left with this mess down here. I got hose clamps falling out everywhere. Boy, the farther into this I get, I just hope I remember how it goes back together. So any of these hoses, anything, I'm going to pull all these hoses off and look at them. Any of these hoses could be cracked. This thing, I'm going to fill it with some water and see if it leaks anywhere. That could be cracked. It's pretty aged. I don't even need such a big one. A lot of people have different solutions for things, and you can't get them new. I've looked everywhere. I haven't found one. A lot of people put just a smaller bottle in there, and it's just an overflow tank. So I've seen a set of hoses on eBay. You can even get colored ones. I think it's $80 for the whole set. I'm really tempted. I hate to spend that on here, but I hate to put this all back together and I've got a leak somewhere that I can't find. So I'm kind of torn. We'll see. Take the overflow tank out. You need an 8mm wrench, and there is one bolt over here right underneath the filler cap. Take that out, and there's actually a pin on this side here that slides into the frame. So you're gonna have to pull it this way a little bit and then wiggle it out. I see nothing else holding it in except a bunch of tubes in the way. So that's my goal here. And I'm gonna put this on here, and I can see it moving, so that's good. It must have enough space. This is definitely, I prefer working on air-cooled bikes because you remove all these tubes. You don't have any of this garbage. You don't have the radiators. You don't have the antifreeze. You don't have the pump, the thermostat. You don't have the overflow tank. There's so much extra. There's wires for temperature sensors. So that is loose. Set that right here. And you can see it's definitely moving. So I'm going to try to wiggle this out now. I would recommend leaving this bolt in because because you still can't slide this forward or up because it hits the bottom of this, because there's another bolt attached. It's a 10mm. I'll save you the hassle because I went through like 5 sockets before I found it. And well, there goes my 10mm. Everyone loses 10mm, so that's right on par. Back, I don't know if you can see in there. Good God, right. This coolant hose is really in the way. There is, I'm not lying to you, there's a 10mm bolt like right there. So you take that out because that's attached to the side of the coolant tank, and then I should be able to get it out. So doing that. My own reference, I'm giving up even on the side bolt for the coolant tank. I'm taking this one off, which bends, and it is literally sandwiched between the coolant tank and the engine mount bolt right here. I'm wiggling it back and forth. It goes straight back through here, and then it comes out wrapped right on top of the coolant tank like this. It's bent to the left, sharp bend, and this fat one, it goes right over on top of it. So it's this crummy one right under here. All right. So I ended up taking this coolant tank off, this tube off on top of it. It was truly a 10mm nut into this bracket, and now you can see this is all loose. So there is a pin right there that goes into the frame. So somehow this thing just wiggles out of here. This goes on the other end of this guy. Put that down there. And now I'm going to basically play the game of see how I have to wiggle this and pull on it to get it out. And then let's hope I can get it back in. That's where I'm at. Before I get too far, hey Theo, before I get too far ahead of myself, you do have to take off the hose over here. So this is made like this. This hose here, it's for the overflow. It runs down, just down to the front of the bike, and then kind of towards the middle and out onto the road. That's kind of just like super overflow for some reason. So that goes on there. Then I've got another one underneath here that actually snakes out this way, and I don't remember where it goes. But when it's laying down, it's under this frame rail here, and it comes out on the side. Nice big long hose. So I'm not sure where that goes, but I'm gonna pull it out, and there's the tank. And here was the bracket that goes to the bottom of the frame, like this, and then to the side of the tank, to this right here. I'm gonna put that back on so I don't forget it.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Again, give me comments, a like I appreciate. I'm not trying to get famous, but just trying to help some people out, because I know I was looking for these videos and man, they were hard to find. It's an older bike, so anyway, I'll get another video up as soon as I can. Take care.